That one good? Where are you going? Going for a run? Yeah, cutie. There we go. Are you going for a run? Yeah? Oh, we want to do everything. Both hands, both legs. Can't figure out which one to do first. Now we're going to watch TV. Oh, that's a big thing to go. Can't go in there. Can't fit all the way in there. Look at you kicking. Where are you going? Oh, you're just so cute. Yes, you are. Yeah. I love you. I love you. I love you, Jackson. I love you. I love you.